Second World War was a worldwide war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. The land, sea and air forces of about 70 countries were involved in this war. The world was divided into two parts in this war: Allied nations and Axis nations. The idea of total war came into vogue during this war because all the superpowers involved in this war had put their economic, industrial and scientific capabilities into this war. About 100 million soldiers from different nations took part in this war, and it proved to be the deadliest war in human history. 5 to 70 million people lost their lives in this war. In the Andaman, various sites still hold some mysteries with little clues from the recorded history, and Kadagachang grave site is one of such places. On 17th May 1945, a British aircraft KH-250 was on a secret mission in the sky over Andaman. During a low-level bombing raid on Port Blair, the KH-250 was shot down by the Japanese forces from 360-degree revolving anti-aircraft gun, which was already installed on Mount Harriet by the British before their evacuation. At the moment of the 11-man crew, only one was able to bail out, and he was Flight Sergeant Harold Wine, number 1516012. He was immediately caught by the Japanese forces on landing. After 3 months of incarceration in Japanese hands in Port Blair as prisoner of war, Wine was given poisonous injection in August 1945 after Hirohito's surrender on a radio broadcast.
Now I'm on the summit of Mount Harriet, which has been renamed as Mount Manipur. You can see on my back this Ak-Ak gun, anti-aircraft gun. The Japanese force used this anti-aircraft gun, which was installed by the Britishers against the Allied forces. You can't see the gun over here, but I will show you the month of May on 7th. One warplane of Allied forces, number H-250 Liberator. It came here and dropped a few bombs on the Chatham Island, killing more than 100 people working on Chatham Causeway. And while bombing on the islands, it was flying at a low altitude, and at the same time the Japanese forces used this anti-aircraft gun against that aircraft, and they crashed it. And as a result, hovering at the low altitude, it fell down at a place called Karakachang, very few kilometers away from this place. I will be there after a while to show you the graves of those soldiers, crew members. There were 11 members boarded on this aircraft. The first pilot was Roland Totham. He was a flying officer. The other crew members were Harold Wine and Frederick Edward Ramsey, Leon Anthony Morgan, Robert Murdoch, Benjamin McPherson, John Herbert McDowell, Harry Johnson. I will show you his picture. I have his picture. Harold Walter, Hugh Campbell, warrant officer. He was warrant officer. Leslie Benfit, he was sergeant, and Robert James Duckworth, he was a screen pilot.
Bill Kennard, air gunner, was about to join, but he could not do so when the engine started to take off. Now I am taking you to the site where the graves of those crew members fell down. The 10 members of KH-250 died and their bodies fell on the ground hither-thither at Kedakachang of South Andaman. For a long time the families were never told the truth. The graves, once on a high tide, not far away from the crash site, has been flooded routinely ever since. The earthquake and tsunami on 26 December 2004 lowered the land by up to a meter and inundated the area. The grave site is now very difficult to find at high tide. Thus, the intangible story will remain in future, but the grave site as tangible evidence is slowly being submerged with the tide of time.